Here I have HUAWEI P20 and let me show you all methods of taking screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then you have to find and select the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be the calendar. And let's just assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use this combination, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys just for a second, let me show you. As you can hear and see, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously. And that's it. Alright, now let me show you the second way of taking screenshots. Let's just knock twice on your screen and you just capture the following screen. Let me show you again. Let's knock twice and you just take the screenshot. So now it's time to show you the third way of taking screenshots. Let's use the upper bar right here twice. Here let's find and select the screenshot and you just capture the following screen. So let me show you again. Use upper bar twice and let's tap screenshot. Alright, so now let me show you also how to find the screenshot folder. So let's just find and select the gallery right here. And right here under photos or under albums you can choose the screenshot folder, and now you can share, edit, delete all of these pictures. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.